Cachelan also supplies and connects with revenue-grade site meters. Meters installed on your site can be integrated into the SolarVu Portal and presented as PayCheck meters when they measure solar generation totals, providing real-time energy monitoring and a reference point for accurate whole site generation analysis. Meters can also be installed at the grid side, so meters for net metered projects can be used as a reference for import and export energy, along with enabling real-time building consumption, information, and power flows. If your site has multiple sections with their own meter, Cachelan can provide an HMI site single-line diagram panel where real-time energy displays of the site can be viewed together. Let's examine a case where SolarVu is integrated with a net-metered building with real-time building consumption. In the main overview section, the hourly energy consumption and use graph provides a detailed visualization of how energy flows throughout the site and how energy is imported and exported on a given day. The Power Now screen further illustrates real-time energy movement, showing how much power is generated by the solar panels, supplied to the building, or drawn from the grid. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly by phone. Thanks for watching!